Hey guys, Renal here. I just wanted to welcome you to the Nomad Creator. Now that you're inside, I just wanted to give you a heads up. This is gonna get you outside your comfort zone, so I highly recommend you go through it at your own pace. Keep in mind, my focus is and my aim is to work with you with at least between, I would say, 6 to 12 months now. So from there, I want you guys to go through the process, simplifying yourself, making sure you implement every single video, and at the same time, show up on the weekly workshops where you will be able to ask your questions. We will go down through exactly the steps that you need to implement everything the way you need to in order for you to get the results. So I recommend you not only to be sure that you show up on the weekly workshop, but also to reach out to me if you have any questions. Keep in mind, there's PDF for you guys, there's the Notion dashboard for you guys. You also get other tools to use, and I will walk through those tools as well. The main idea would be to put into practice, to put it into execution, every single checklist you have. And from there, of course, guys, we see each other later on in any of the events or workshops going on. Okay, I look forward to meeting you guys. Look forward to see you on the workshop as well. Make sure you pay attention, make sure you take notes, make sure you implement and execute, because we are going to grow your account this year. So make sure you do that so that we make your dream lifestyle possible. Take care, guys. See you later.